Set. The word set is highly versatile in English, with multiple meanings depending on the context. Here are some of its primary meanings. 1. To put in a specified position or arrangement. Please set the glasses on the shelf carefully. She set the baby in the crib. They set the chairs in a circle for the meeting. He set the book back on the table after reading. Set the dishes on the counter after you wash them. 2. To fix or decide on. They've set the wedding date for June. Management set the deadline for next Friday. We need to set a budget for the project. The teacher set the requirements for the essay. The meeting time was set for 3 p.m. 3. To solidify or harden. Wait for the cement to set before walking on it. The gelatin needs several hours to set. The chocolate glaze will set in the refrigerator. Allow the glue to set before moving the 2 pieces. The plaster will set in about 20 minutes. 4. To adjust a device or instrument. Please set your watch to the correct time. He set the thermostat to 68 degrees. Set the timer for 30 minutes. I set my phone alarm for 6 a.m. She set the car's GPS for the fastest route. 5. To establish or appoint. The company has set new policies for remote work. The school set the rules for classroom behavior. They set high standards for customer service. The committee set the guidelines for the grant application. The government set the regulations for environmental protection. 6. To prepare for use or action. The crew set the stage for the concert. He set a mousetrap in the kitchen. She set the table for dinner. The activists set a plan for the protest. The hunter set his sights on a deer. 7. To style hair. She set her hair with rollers. The stylist set his client's hair with a blow dryer. He set his beard with a special grooming wax. They set the actress's hair in an elaborate updo. She set her hair in curls for the party. 8. To plant or sow. They set tomato plants in the garden. He set the seeds in rows. She set new flower bulbs for spring. The farmer set corn in the field. Set the young saplings in well-drained soil. 9. To direct or focus. She set her attention on finishing the project. He set his mind to learn a new language. They set their goals for the new year. The team set its efforts on winning the championship. She set her sights on a prestigious college. 10. To become firm or rigid. Wait until the epoxy set completely. The jelly finally set after a few hours in the fridge. The cast for his broken arm will set in a few hours. Make sure the sealant sets before using the sink. The paint must set before you apply a second coat. The word set can function as a verb, noun, and sometimes an adjective, making it one of the most multifaceted words in the English language.